This is something I'm starting to see a little more often on these older 14 and down F150s with the sunroof drains. The complaint is either, hey, I've got a sunroof leak, or I've got a leak from overhead, or hey, I had a leak and I had my front drains cleared, but I still had a leak, and the front drains were clogging up and they flow now, but they still leak. This is one of them. All right, so look at this. See how this is split? All right, so when this fits on here, first of all, the tube has shrunk a little bit, and look at this. It's barely fitting on there, but did you see how easy that goes? Look at that. That's not tight, so that's not sealing at all. Well, I wonder why. Could it be because it's split right there? So it's huge. So they're getting old, they're getting brittle, they're shrinking a little bit, puts a little pressure on them. And the fact that the factory painted these while they were in the truck, they apparently, when they were building them, they installed them first because they go down inside the A-pillar, unlike on the outside like the newer ones do. And so they were sitting in here when this truck got painted. As you can see, this one's burgundy, reddish, and they get painted. Now, I don't know if that affects the long-term brittleness of the hose or what, but the new ones aren't like that. None of the rest of them are like that. None of them have I seen do this. But look at that. That's split all the way down there. So what I'm going to do to fix this is I'm going to cut it off probably right about somewhere around in here, and where it's solid still and flexible. And I'll put a hose barb there, and I'm going to put a little section of hose there that's slightly longer than this, so it's not like keeping pressure on it. But anyway, let me fix it and I'll show you the final product. Wasn't super pleased with the other side video, so I'm going to redo this one on the passenger side. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut off, the passenger side was split also. I've cut that off. Now, this is a piece of hard hardline plastic drain tube that I just happen to have as scrap. The average DIYer isn't going to have this. You're going to want to procure a hose barb from, you know, any hardware store or Tractor Supply or any place like that. That's this size. So what you'll do is you want to cut off a little piece of your hose and run up there and find a barb that's that size so you can connect it. Luckily, what I did for this side is I have the old drain hose, the old split drain hose from the other side, right? But from about there back, it's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put a sealer on this, slide it down on there, and then have a fresh piece there and insert it on there, and it should be fine. I'm going to show you the finished product here in a second. All right, so there it is. I left a little bit of a gap, but there's plenty of engagement on each one. I put the sealer on there just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. It's pretty tight, so it's not going to. And if you have a hose barb there, particularly if you get one of those brass ones, it'll never go anywhere. But the key of this is it's loose. It's not super tight. It's on there, but it's not like pulling down this way. So these hoses will shrink over time, and they'll just keep pressure on it. And as you go down the road with vibrations and everything, it'll work it loose. Or unfortunately, like these, they start to split. So anyway, that is how to fix it. You can just come up with scrap hose from anywhere, or maybe from one of the big box stores. You can find that and the barbs, but that's how you fix them. It's either that or you got to try to replace the whole drain tube. And I can tell you, this goes down inside the metal part of the A-pillar, all the way down by that inside the kick panel through some foam and into the rocker. I have done one of those back when these were under warranty, and let me just tell you, you don't want to do that. You just fix it up here and it'll be fine. And I've already tested it. It flows great. But what they're doing is they're splitting right here. And even though it's flowing, some of it's going drip, drip, drip right into the headliner, and you still have essentially have a sunroof leak, even though your drains flow. So that's what's happening on these older F-150s, 14 and older. Questions, comments, talk to me. Let me know what you think.